Welcome to this comprehensive review of the 5 best baitcasting reels on the market. As an angler, choosing the right baitcasting reel can make all the difference when it comes to catching that prized fish. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to invest in. That's why we've done the research and testing for you, to provide you with the top 5 baitcasting reels that will meet your fishing needs. From drag performance to ease of use, we'll cover all the important features that make each reel stand out. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Shimano Curado DC Baitcasting Reel. This might be a little more expensive than most competing baitcasting reels. However, in the disposable world of modern commerce where you just toss something aside and buy a new one if there is a problem, this reel won't be one of those. It is built to last. Its ease of use makes it the best reel you can buy. It has a simple, basic design suitable for beginning anglers, but has the features a seasoned pro looks for in a day on the water. A strong rigid body protects a smooth, efficient spool that can handle 150 yards of 20-pound test braided line, 135 of 30-pound, or 40 of 105-pound test. The monofilament capacities are slightly smaller as usual with the thicker mono line, but this reel can hold 90 yards of 14-pound, 110 yards of 12-pound, or 120 yards of 10-pound test mono. Number 2. Lew's Speed Spool LFS Baitcast Reel. The single-piece aluminum frame matched with a readily removable graphite side plate makes this an effective baitcasting reel. The 10 stainless steel ball bearings combined with a 0 reverse one-way clutch provide smooth operation for a long time. It is available in 5 configurations. Beginning with the SS1SA, a right-handed reel with 140-yard line capacity of 12-pound test line. It weighs just 7.2 ounces and has a 5:6:1 gear ratio. The SS1HA is a step up with a higher 6.8:1 gear ratio. It doesn't hold quite as much line with just 120 yards when filled with 12-pound test. The SS1SHA features a 7:5:1 gear ratio with identical attributes to the SS1HA. The SS1LA is the left-handed version of the SS1HA. Number 3. Quantum Accurist Baitcast Fishing Reel. A full 5-year warranty, cast aluminum construction, combined with a ceramic carbon drag system, create a quality fishing reel with longevity that will bring long, smooth casts and problem-free, controlled retrieves to you for a long time. The Accurist has a continuous anti-reverse clutch designed to reduce backlash. An 8-ball bearing design, with a single roller bearing, provides smooth casts and retrieves in a variety of weather. Available in 4 varieties across the color spectrum in black, green, white, and with a left-handed version in white. All models have the same specifications. Line capacities of 135 yards in 12-pound monofilament, or 170 yards of 30-pound braided line, adjustable drag with a maximum 18-pound setting, and a 7.0:1 gear ratio, provides all the tools you'll need in battling trophy-sized fish. Number 4. Cast King Royale Legend 2 Baitcasting Reels. The Royale Legend by Cast King features an enhanced graphite design, with a stainless steel handle and stainless steel ball bearings. The Legend is available in right or left-handed configuration, and a rainbow of vibrant color patterns. The various sized reels feature gear ratios of 5.3:1, 6.6:1, 7.3:1, or 8.1:1, all based on the color pattern of the fishing reel. If you purchase several of these different color combinations, you can easily spot the 5.3:1 reel you'll need for controlled topwater largemouth bass fishing or the 8.1:1 reel you'll want to take out on the river after salmon. The 10-ball bearing construction is among the most on the market, offering one of the smoothest actions you'll find in any baitcasting reel regardless of price. Brass pinion gears and worm drive offer durability, longevity, and strength in this compact fishing reel design. Number 5. Okuma Camus Low Profile Baitcasting Reel. The Camus Low Profile Baitcasting Reel by Okuma is a monofilament-only reel, and available only in a right-handed configuration. Okuma is a relative newcomer in the baitcasting reel market, but they've done their homework. Many features are packed into this lightweight reel. At just 7.6 ounces, it is on the smaller end of the baitcasting market. A line capacity of 160 yards of 10-pound test, 130 yards of 12-pound, and 95 yards of 14-pound monofilament provides ample line for long casts, and even longer battles with a hard-fighting fish. 6 ball bearings and 1 roller bearing combine with a 6.6 to 1 gear ratio to deliver smooth, controlled retrieves at a 28.5 inch per crank rate. The fishing reel comes with Okuma's 1-year warranty. An external, adjustable magnetic cast control system, with quickset, anti-reverse ball bearings, and a multi-disc drag offers all the features you could ask for a good price.